Everybody, this is my channel, and I took myself 30 days of English speaking challenge, and this is my long video for this channel. And today I am talking about what kind of difficulties, what kind of what kind of hurdles we face. I am facing while I'm speaking, while I'm in this journey of English speaking. So first hurdle which I faced a lot of time is I'm freeze all the time while I'm speaking to anybody. My body is gonna be freeze. I'm not my hand is not gonna be move, and my brain is stopped working, and I'm just freeze. I don't have anything to be speak. So this is the I want to be changed about myself. I could not be freeze. I want that if someone speak in English, and I am capable to answer or reply them in the English language itself. I don't want to be change it in our native language or any kind of Hindi language. So I just want to be reply in English language. So yeah, this is first thing. So and second thing is my mind is gonna be stopped. My mind is stop developing some some basic word like but what. My mind is gonna be stopped. So this is come from what I studies, that this is come from the lack of the practice. We don't have, sorry, I don't have practice. I'm not speaking well, I'm not speaking a lot. So I develop this on my mind. My mind is gonna be blocked. So my mind is not developing any kind of word while I'm speaking. So yeah, and the third one is I don't have confidence on myself. Even I don't, I can't speak any easy word. That's what's your name and how do you doing. Like I'm freeze. So I don't have confidence on itself. This is the, I think this I should put in the first place. So that's the point. I should I have I should have on confidence on itself, that I speak English, and no matter what I'm speaking and what mistake I'm doing while I'm speaking. So these are the three things which I thought that it's it's a first stage, and it's the basics. It's a bare minimum to be any person have while he's speaking. So and if I'm speaking well, then I jump on the second stage, that I express myself more while I'm shake my hand and my gesture. So these are the second thing. I should I'm think I I think I should work on my first stage. That's not to be freeze and to be very confident while speaking, and develop some words or some sentences while I'm speaking. So yeah, that's a whole point which I don't have it on myself, and I develop it via this videos. I'm starting to speaking every day almost. And so thank you so much for listen, and thank you so much.